welcome to A Wonderful Sheep and welcome to another box which I will be unboxing. This time it's a Webley box, interestingly enough. I guess they must have run out of Weverse boxes at the warehouse. It's my order from the bee-themed merchandise. I got a bunch of the stationery because of the event where you could enter to win a signed product by the members. And before I open this, I wanted to show some of the other BTS themed stationery that I bought already from the Lotte pop-up store last year. I think I filmed an unboxing of this last year that I never shared, so I'll insert that here. It's kind of hard to call this washi tape because it's like super big and the material is kind of interesting. It's sort of like a wallpaper-y type material, but I like this really thick and wide washi tape to use in diary decoration. This is my Hobonichi that I've been using. I've got JK's photo in the front here, and I like to use it sort of as like a footer or header on spaces because it takes up a good chunk of space. So I got a couple more of these as well. All right, let's get into this. Also, sorry about the lighting. It is a rainy and cloudy day today, and I don't have any natural lighting, so we're gonna have to do with the artificial lighting. All right, I put down a cloth to try to brighten up this setup a little bit. First thing is the non-stationary bits. I got the Oh Yeah mouse pad just to brighten up my desk. Not much to say about this. It's just a foamy mouse pad. Just a little something to put next to my computer. And I didn't look very carefully at this when I got it. I didn't realize it was hair pins. I just wanted the tin case. I'm one of those people who buy things for the packaging. So let's see how this opens up. Is it? Oh, it's a slide, right? Oh, okay, it comes completely off and there is a pack of bobby pins inside, but I will probably be using this to store something else. Something cute and BTS-like in here. And then onto the stationery, we'll look at the two giant washi tapes. Like I said, it's kind of like a wallpaper material. It has a little bit of texture, which I think is cool, and it's a little sturdier than your normal washi tape. Do a little swatch in sort of a blank page in my journal. Here's a page I need to catch up on. DNA looks like this. There's the DNA, La La La, and Rocket before it repeats again. Yeah, it really brightens up a page. And then mic drop. Mic drop is, did you see my bag? Stereo, like DJ setup. Mic drop, how you dare. Mic drop, caution. Oh, this one's long, up to here. There we go. Yeah, really brightens up a page. Happy about this. Excited to use these maybe to wrap up little packages as well. Next, we got a bunch of pens. I think these were the 3 types of pens that had sort of like a decorative element at the top. 3 gel pens, 2 of the Knock style pens, so like push pens, but they had the gradient ink colors, which I was curious about. And then 1 of the multicolor pens. I only got the purple one as I didn't really like the coloring of the black one. So we'll test these out as well. Got the little thingy at the tip. Ooh. It writes really nice, really smooth. It's a pretty fine line, I would say. This is a 0.3 tip. I'd say probably maybe a 0.5. This is 0.7. Yeah, I think probably around a 0.5 tip. 2 thumbs up for the gel pens. And then let's try out the gradient pens. Okay, so there's the yellow and the blue kind, and the gradient colors, the ink colors are different. So I think there's green, pink mixed in here, which is giving off, I've gotten yellow. I'm getting yellow and orange mostly from this pen. I'll try this on a different paper as well. Okay, it doesn't really show up on the black, but I think it looks better on the brown. It's not as visible on camera, but when it dries pretty light, so I think white is the best for this pen. And now for the blue one. Ooh, this one comes out as a nice pink purple. I like this for writing. I think this would be good for journaling. It's dark enough that you can see on white paper. Yeah, both of these dry pretty light on darker paper, so I think it's best for just a white page. This one is, I'll have to figure out a better use for this one. It's pretty light, so maybe just as like accents, like orange and yellow accents, but pretty light to write with. All right. And finally, we've got the rest of the cards. I got one DNA card and one Boy with Love card, just a small envelope and a plain card on the inside. And then I got one of each of the Idol cards, so there's 7 here. I really like the Idol suits they wore for Idol. I think they're so fun and I love patterns and textures, so I got one for each member. So the envelope is kind of like you can see sort of a shiny paper. And the card is just blank inside. Okay, so we've got Namjoon suit and it says Idol. And then Jin's says Artist. And then Yoongi's is also is a tucking, is the tucking card. And then Hobi's is oh 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 oh. And then we've got Jimin's is Love Myself. And then Taeyoung's is also Idol. And Jungkook's is Artist. So these are nice. I kind of want to just keep them because they're so pretty, but eventually hopefully they will fulfill their purpose and be gifted to someone as a card. Oh, and I almost forgot, I didn't try out the knock type pen. Last but not least, this I assume is just a pretty normal multicolor pen. Ooh, it's gel. It's not ballpoint, it's gel. It's a gel point pen. That's really nice, actually. Oh, I'm actually quite pleasantly surprised by this. Yeah, it writes really smooth. The pink is nice and fluorescent. There's 4 colors. And because it's gel, it writes really smooth. Ooh, this was a pleasant surprise. I got the DNA one. And that is it. I'm pretty pleased with everything I got. I think these will be cute sitting in my pencil cup. And I'm really pleased with this multi-pen actually. I was surprised that it was gel. I think if you haven't bought stationery from the shop yet, I'd recommend the blue one over the yellow one. This is just a darker ink color and I think you get more use out of this. Love the Idol cards. The envelopes are really pretty and I don't know if I'll be able to use these stickers, but hopefully I'll use them to decorate maybe my photo card binder or something. Also, I've been loving this Boy With Love washi tape, so I'm looking forward to using these as well. But that is it. Thank you for watching my unboxing and stay safe and well, and I'll see you next time.